y'all, it is your girl Angelle and welcome back to Angelle's Life. In today's video, I have some new in jewelry pieces. Now, it's my first time coming to y'all showing y'all jewelry pieces because honestly, to say that I've been in this fashion game for well over 10 years now, jewelry has been a very missed opportunity for me, okay? I'm not even going to lie. However, in the past year, actually jewelry and handbags have been a missed opportunity for me as far as I'm concerned. However, in the last year, I have definitely gotten into handbags, as you can tell by the channel. And now more recently, I have started to hone in on my jewelry, and I've realized it is definitely a way to elevate a very simple or basic look. So I do think jewelry is very important in building a look. Okay, so, and I don't know if you guys have noticed it, but I always come on now with my rings, my necklaces, so on and so forth. Obviously, there are different types of jewelry styles. Okay, there's obviously gold, there's silver, there's rose gold. There is also minimalist or maximalist, gaudy, bling out jewelry. I myself, and to be honest, I love them all. However, I myself prefer to stick to gold because I think it looks better as far as my tone, my skin tone. And minimal jewelry for me. I like things that are thinner and daintier versus bigger because I'm such a small, petite woman. Okay, y'all, I am 111 pounds. Yeah, your girl done gained a little weight. I'm 111 pounds and I am 5 feet even. Okay, little bitty, itty bitty girl. Okay, itty bitty woman. So I tend to like things that are just, you know, nothing that really overpowers me or overpowers my look. However, still elevates it. Okay, and jewelry really does do that. So ladies and gents, everybody out there watching, do not miss this opportunity like I did for 10 years. Okay, let's catch up, learn from my mistakes. So with that being said, we are going to hop into the video. I don't want this video to be too long. However, I do want to say to everybody that's new, hello. My name is Angelle. I am a style influencer and lifestyle vlogger. I post videos 3 times a week on fashion and lifestyle and travel vlogging. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are picking up everything that I am putting down. And do not forget to like this video if you like this video. Okay. Let's go. All right, y'all. So, housekeeping notes. I have a 3-year-old son. He's climbing up the stairs right now. But in case he comes in and out the video at any point, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm a full-time mother. What can I say? Anyway, so this is the first piece that I've gotten, and it is a fossil watch. Fossil watches have been my jam for a minute, and at least 6 or 7 years. Although I do not, in the past, I didn't wear watches often. Anytime I did buy a watch, I would always gravitate to fossil watches because I feel like they really make great watches for small people, if that makes sense. Especially their band watches. Like, their band watches always fit me so well, so perfectly, without me having to like punch extra holes in it. Now this watch, okay, now this watch, this is what we have here. We have this gold and silver tone watch with the pink face. I don't know if y'all can see the pink face. Hopefully y'all can. If not, I will go ahead and pop up a picture. But it is stunning. It really is a stunning piece, and it's for a very affordable price. He's upstairs, duty. It's a stunning piece for an affordable price, and I absolutely love it. I did have to get some links taken out of it. I've gotten 4 links taken out of it. But, and it does fit a tad big, which is typically why I go for band. Y'all, I'm so sorry. Hi, mother. What can I say? I did get 4 links taken out of this watch, and it's still just a tad bit big. Nothing crazy though. Like, you know, like it's a little loose, but still fits nice. And it gives such a really nice and like just elegant vibe. Usually I go for band watches because that's more of my style. However, I feel like, especially for what I am doing in the direction that I'm moving in, where I feel like my looks are going to be very chic, and then I'll probably be casual at the shoes because I have a 3-year-old that I'm constantly running around, and I'm not wearing heels to like the amusement parks or the parks or any of these, but the jump house, that I'm taking him to. So I really do think it like elevates a casual look, or it like just brings a certain amount of class, like the metal looks versus like the band watches. So yes, this is the first piece. Fossil is the watch brand. However, I did buy it at my local BX, and it was $120. So again, watch, and we love it. Like, it's just giving. And although I am a gold jewelry wearing girl, I do love like the two-tone of it. In case I have a bag that has some silver hardware, this is where it pairs in, and so on and so forth. Or even if my outfit or the buckle on my shoe or whatever, has a little silver, I love the gold and silver to kind of like pull it all together. So although my jewelry is going to majority be all gold, those small accents that you just can't control, I feel like this is where it ties that in. So yes, Fossil watch is the first thing, and the second item that I have is, okay, so in this bag I have the second item. Okay, now I also purchased this from my local BX as well, and I'm really excited about this one because this is something I've been wanting, this style of necklace, for a while, and I would always find it. Either it was like gold plated, like it was sterling silver or stainless steel and gold plated, or it was like 100% gold and $1,000, and I wasn't doing that. So finding this one at the BX was like just perfect. But here we have this 14 karat gold. It is 100% gold. It's not gold plated, but we have this 14 karat gold herringbone necklace, y'all, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Like, y'all, I love it so much. So the length on it is 18 inches. I want to say it's either 18 or 20 inches. I'm not sure. And it was $300. So I don't, compare to what I've seen, I do not feel like that's a bad price. I think the length, like the width of it, is 2 millimeters, but I'm not completely sure, but I think it's 1 or 2 millimeters, which again fits my style perfectly because again, I am a more dainty jewelry wearer. Now, I absolutely love the chain, but I do want to show y'all this. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is, I guess because it is herringbone, it like has like divots. It has divots all down it, and I'm not a super big fan of that. I don't know why it's doing that or how to get that fixed. However, I do feel like it is something that I can live with, okay? I've also contemplated, so I've tried it on. And I've tried it on with my little stack that I have so far, and it looks good. However, I am contemplating getting it shortened, or getting one of my other chains shortened so that my layers just like, I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. So this is the necklace. Let me make sure y'all can see me. Make sure I'm in frame. So this is the necklace on, okay? This is what it's giving. And y'all, I really do love it, right? Like, I absolutely love it. I really do think it is like a perfect addition to my little jewelry piece stack. And I feel like for the price, it's definitely worth the money. I do love, like, I was looking at Masoma, and the herringbone necklace, it was a little bit thicker and it was shorter, which I did like. But it was about $250, and it was gold plated. Like, if I'm gonna pay $250 for something that's gold plated, why not get something, pay $300 and maybe it's a little bit thinner, but it's 100% gold. So that's just the way I see it, or the way that I thought about it. And another reason that I tend to lean more towards like 100% gold items just because sometimes I don't take them off. Sometimes I forget I have my necklaces on. I shower in them, especially my earrings. I shower in them. I do all these different things, and I know they won't tarnish. They won't turn. Nothing will really happen to them. So, yeah, that's another reason I do that. But that's it, y'all. I don't have any more. Comment down below if you think I should get the herringbone necklace shortened, if that's even possible, or if I should get one of my other necklaces shortened. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, and also comment down below and let me know what y'all think of the jewelry. Do you like the pieces? Do you not like the pieces? What are we interested in seeing when I add jewelry to my wardrobe, or we not? Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. Again, if you like this video, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are picking up what I am putting down. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.